Assalamu alaikum dear students, this is Mujahid Hussain. Hope all is well. Dear students, as you know, last time we were learning about MS Excel, and now we are going to move MS PowerPoint. So in which we learn so many things like this is PowerPoint or Slide Master is a special feature of PowerPoint in MS Excel. Actually, Slide Master allows quick modifications of the slides and sliding layouts and presentation. In which in this lecture you will learn about how to prepare Slide Master, and then after the completion of this lecture you will able to know or able to learn about the Slide Master orientation and layout of the Slide Master, that how can we customize or how can we design a presentation. So this is a very basic actually, and in which the backgrounds, colors, fonts, effects and positioning will be included, and how can we add the effects in every slide. We can do that one so for creating Slide Master you have to go through view tab, and in view tab these are the presentation view, in which normal, outline, view, slide, shorter, note and readings etc. And then in master view you can see Slide Master, handout master and then notes master. So we have to create a presentation, then we will go through Slide Master, then just click on this one and then you can see the number of slides are on the screen. Like this is our Slide Master, and these are the different slides are created on the screen, you can see. And even you can see here you can see there is a footer in which the date and footer and anything you want to give you can easily give here. And this is a title, which title you want to give, means each and every type of things which are included in a presentation you can get through just master layout or Slide Master, just for clicking on that one. Now you can see here in a theme layout, so you can also give any type of theme you want to give or you want to see in your presentation. Now you can see the theme is totally changed, you can also give any other, you can browse the theme from internet, or either the themes are saved in your laptop or in your PC, then you can also browse those themes. And now you can give any other type of theme if you want to give, or like just you have to go through this background theme, edit theme, and now I have selected this one. Now from here background you can also change the color of your slide, you can add the slide from here, or you can also customize the themes colors. It's up to you, and which you want to give or not. And from here font you can design, you can select the fonts according to your choice. Like I have selected these fonts, and then the backgrounds, which background you want to give backside your text, it's also up to you. And even you can select any type of a background, or you can design according to your choice, according to your color. This can be solid, and any color you want to give, it's up to you, it's all up to you. So here from here you can choose the different colors, like I have selected this one. So you can also choose any type of a background which you want. Now if we are going through, if you guys don't have any type of experience, so just go through Slide Master, and then you will find out all the things which you need. And from here you can also insert placeholder, like If you want to create a content, then first of all just click on insert placeholder and then add the content. Whatever the content you want to give, you can assign. You can also give the text, you can also insert the picture, you can also insert the chart, tables, smart art, media, any online image you can get. If you have internet available, then you can access these all things. So these things are basically can be taken back from your slide master view tab. So you can, if you want to remove the title, so just uncheck this one, your title will be removed. If you want to remove your footer, so then uncheck the footer, then that will be removed. So if you want to is there any background graphics, and if you want to hide that one, so you can hide by checking this one, or if you don't want to hide, then uncheck this one. So these are the actually layouts. These are the this is a very easy method for creating or for designing your presentation through view tab. And in view tab you have to just go through slide master. So this is a very beginning, or this is a very easy thing which I have given. Just this was just introduction about presentation. That presentation is a very good thing if you want to present any idea or anything in front of your teachers or anywhere. So you can design your presentation, like you can modify your backgrounds, your themes, your colors, fonts, effects, anything you can customize also, in which and totally formatting like text, slides, or any other thing you want to do, so you can do. And next lecture we will create a presentation, and we will see that how can be presentation, or how can we apply these all things in one presentation. So is there any question, then ask, and stay home, stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.